parked up. This is where everyone comes in the entrance. You know the spot, I've been here before, I'm always down here. We've come over from the other side of London tonight. So let's just see what goes on. Fingers crossed, it should be a good night. Here's the valet parking. Which roundabout you choosing? Down the end?
Practice makes perfect. We got the
just walking back around the car park for a bit. The drag strip here is so busy, it's just blocked. There's so many people here. I think everyone's turned up tonight. So we'll have a quick walk around the car park. Check my car's alright. First time I brought it out to a meet. And then we'll go up the other end, see if anyone's drifting at the roundabout at the other end. I'm going to film my car again. You alright, geezer? Do you want to go up to the roundabout at the end? You f***ing idiot. Really, that bad? Right, let's try and walk up to the roundabout at the far end. It's a better roundabout for drifting. Just depends how busy it is tonight, so we'll walk up to the far end. It's too dark over here in the car park to film. So we'll stay up here for a bit, see what goes on. And if it's too quiet, we'll make our way back down at the start again. Me, a Lamborghini doing a donut. Who'd have thought we'd have seen that tonight? So we've only been up this end, what, 10 minutes? And everyone's now up here. Well, there's more action up at this roundabout, and it's a bigger roundabout, this one. There's more space, and there's no island in the middle. So, I mean, you know, you don't risk the chance of catching your wheel in the middle. So there's a queue of people coming up now. So hopefully we get a variety. We've got a Lamborghini already. We've got the BMW 640s around somewhere. And there's a couple of other BMWs. There's a Lexus doing a fucking brilliant job. So yeah, we'll spin it back round again and we'll keep filming. practice needed. I'm going to start marking them in a minute. Start with that. Can you get better than that? Do you go straight for a 10 out of 10 for that one? Is that a 9? Is that a 9 or an 8 out of 10 or a 10 out of 10? 11. That's a nice car, man.
That's a cars a brick.
That's nice. We give him a 1 out of 10. No, just 2 out of 10, still practice needed. For that one. Points there, give him an 8 out of 10. Still getting a bit busy now. It's blocked up so people are having trouble getting round. Need it to clear up a little bit and then we get back to some drifting. This geezer's going his own way. 10. Everyone's leaving now. You see the convoy of cars coming out, and it's starting to rain as well. I think he's going. Right, that's it for the night. That's all the drifting done. It's just started raining. We're making a move now. Most of the cars have left now. So that's VW Racing out. Stay tuned, keep watching the videos. If you've not subscribed to the channel, subscribe. If you have subscribed, hit that notification button. And the videos are out normally Monday, 6 PM, every Monday. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon.